Hello everyone, it's Amy Robertson and I am back in business. I am set up with video again and I'm here to show you a new Free-Motion doodle design. Today is day 16 of the Doodle School Doodle Challenge and the prompt for today is vines. So the design I am going to show you is one that I created, and it's a thorny vine. So let me go ahead and show you how it's done. First of all, you're going to start on an edge of a box or edge of your page, and you're going to be creating just like a curving, meandering, wandering line. Every once in a while on this line, go ahead and put kind of a sharp V shape. That's a thorn. Okay, and then as you meander around, you can add more thorns. You can add the thorns to either side this first time as you're working your way around. And it's fine to cross over your line. Lines crisscross over themselves in nature, so I don't see anything wrong with that. And since I created the design, I get to do what I think is best. So again, I'm just kind of randomly wandering around and occasionally crossing lines I've already made. I might stop every once in a while and just kind of look around and see, try to determine which direction I want to go, what areas I want to fill in. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm actually gonna run off the side of the edge of the box right here. But if I were actually quilting this, I can always travel along my seam to get to another area, and I want to put a little something around here. So I'm just going to go, let's see, like this. Just kind of travel in a way that gets me to the areas that still need something. And I don't love this corner. So I can even come, here and do maybe a little something like this. And, just put a little something in that corner that way. Just to kind of balance things out, I could go like that. Okay, so I can just leave my design like this, and I think that creates the effect of having a thorny vine, and it would create a beautiful texture on a quilt. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create the other side of my vines. So the way I do that is I'm going to echo the line I previously made, and every once in a while add a thorn to it. And I need to watch, because right here the thorn is on my left side, so I need to draw this line on the right side. So I'm just going to cross over that line as if it were a ribbon or something like that. It doesn't look, totally natural, but it's passable. To me, it works. And now every once in a while, as I'm following along here, I'm also going to be adding in new thorns where I think they're needed. And this is getting a little fat here, so I need to just be careful to echo that line a little more closely. Add a thorn there, cross over here. I know I'm going to be wanting to cross over here again. Let's just add a sharp thorn there. Okay, it actually kind of looks like barbed wire. Now that I think about it, I hadn't thought about that before. Okay, now remember I do have some other lines that I need to finish off. So let me just come in here and take care of those. I have to lift my hand up and look ahead a little bit. Sometimes I can't see what's coming up without doing that. Okay, and then I think this was the final one. All right, so there you have it. That's a thorny vine meander. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll be able to find uses for it in your quilts. And I think it would be awesome if you could take what I've done here and adapt it some way to kind of develop it. So you could add leaves in here, you could add flowers, whatever you want, really, berries. So have fun with it, and I will see you tomorrow for day 17 of the Doodle School Doodle Challenge. Bye now.